Hey gang, Zippo. Been a few days since I shot any videos. This one's just kind of a babbling video. Had my cookout this past Saturday, and thanks to my good friend Biggie Rat, who did a little bit of searching for me, he was able to find me a nice neat pair of rims for me to mount my 24-13-12 tires to, so that I can get them on Trader. And we're going to flip her around here and let you guys see what we got. It's an interesting rim. I've never seen a rim that looked like that. I'll zoom in a little bit here. Just kind of different. Now these are just 8.5-inch wide bead-to-bead rims, but they're a lot better than the 7.5-inch that were on them. So I've got that part taken care of, and that's not all. Here in the past few days, let's see, last Monday I think it was, took a little trip, went south of Muncie, picked up a little something for the shop, a new tool for the shop, and I had to do some rearranging. Some engines decided that they would give up their living space to provide me access for my new shop tool. Now, I really like my new shop tool, and it's close by. Gotta find it. Well, here's a big board. Let's see what this big board is. Uh-oh. Zippo's in trouble now. Neat and nifty old late 60s, early 70s Craftsman Acme made benchtop drill, 6 by 18 inch, and I've already been messing around with it. Only came with 1 or 2 bits, and they're 3/8 bits is what they take there in the lantern holder, and so just been messing around. Did go ahead and order me some new bits. Got 12 new bits right there, and this is the second one that was in my straight holder here, but came with quite a bit. Got my lathe dog. Those of you who know machining know exactly what that is. Helps you steady your work if you're not using a live tailstock. But it's been a little while since I've done any machining, done any lathe work. Let's see, we're actually going to go back. It's going to date me. Last time I was on a lathe was on board USS Bellewood, which is now a coral reef, that I was on with my brother Michael. And but that was in 1990, 25 years ago. So at any rate, need a little adjusting here and there. Need to shim some stuff and square some stuff up, but got it all lined out and have been really enjoying myself with it. So this is just a quick video, let you guys know that Zippo's got a new toy in the shop. Later. I'm out.